Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And earlier today, I had a training with my good friend Nora, and she wanted to do this design here. Well, we had so much fun on our training today, and she wanted to really know, like, hold on, Ray, that's so, it looks like a lot of stones are in that design. How many stones are actually in that design? Well, that's easy with the Rhinestone Wizard 5.0 Pro. So, what you want to do is you want to open up the design and Corel Draw, of course. Open up your design wizard. I mean, this is easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 Check this out. You want to highlight it, right? And it doesn't matter what tab you're on. Whether you're on the Magic tab, the Template tab, the Design Prep tab, Magic Weeding. Doesn't matter what tab you're on. At the bottom of every tab is this box here. Inside this box to the right, you have this little dot here. Looks like a dot and a parentheses. It looks like that to me. If you hover over it, it says see the design info with stone count, size, and color. You left click it and voila. It's like magic. Or should I say bing bong. It's 1092 SS10 cobalt stones in the design. So that represents all the blue stones in the design. And then there's 1964 jonquil, which are the creamy color stones in the design, which comes to an estimated total, not an estimated, I said estimated, a total stones in design of 3,056 stones. Let's zoom in and let's look at that closer. Now we could have even went in there and let me show y'all something real quick. Haha, I know y'all like quick trainers. We're gonna select all of those creamy colored stones, right? We're gonna delete those like so. Oh, wow. Oh, it got rid of the box on the outside too. Well, I thought I was gonna show y'all something, but I got rid of the box. So yeah. I have to redo that all over. Let's see if it's over here on page 2. Nope. Well, I thought I was going to show y'all something slick. I did show y'all the stone count. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Also, leave a comment down below. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, remember to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I go live or drop a new video. It's Excellent Dreams, and I'm signing out.